I'm going to discuss how I'm using search engine optimization tools that are free to use to help me. And I'm going to show you images of the increase of the indexing of my URLs and videos into the search engines. You know what? I'll start right now. This is Google Search Console. Look it up and get used to using it, because using this tool and the Bing URL submission tool, in addition to artificial intelligence like Grammarly, copy.ai, the chat.openai, is helping me improve all my blog posts and getting them indexed into the search engines and my videos. And then I'm going to move on to storebuy.shop and I'm going to do the same thing. But here we go. I'm going to give you proof that this works, and then I'll browse around for a moment. This was a few weeks ago, about a month ago, and I'm focused on indexed 78 pages. This is about pages here, okay? Then it moved up to 91 pages, and I've been doing this maybe a month. Using the URL submission tools, the free tools available, to teach myself how to produce better quality work that will get indexed into the search engines. And when I looked yesterday, it was at 99. So that tells me I'm doing something right. Now let's talk about videos. I was doing it wrong in the beginning. I turned my websites into blog posts, and I like it that way. So a few weeks ago, there was 13 indexed. I'm like, oh, great, cool, I'm doing it right. Then I went, wow, I can't believe that. All right, I am working it. I'm editing my own work. I'm producing better quality work. I'm using AI to help me edit my own work for the better, to reach that 300-word minimum, in addition to inbound links, outbound links, embedding the URLs properly, because I was doing them wrong. I was embedding the video URLs wrong. I was using the code when I should have just been using the URL and submitted into the Gutenberg field. If you're familiar with that, you know what I'm talking about. Then it goes up to 17 videos. And this is in less than a month, and I've only begun. I thought you would find that very interesting. And before I move forward, I'm already on the waiting list to access the new Bing, which has their own chatbot. And I was doing research about this yesterday, and I'm so excited because I will be using, I think it's MSG, the browser that I need to use. Let's see here, Finder, Launchpad. Let me see if it's in here. I have Chrome. Maybe I didn't add it yet, but you understand what I'm saying. I'm on the waiting list. I'm very excited about that. Oh, here we go. This proves I'm on the waiting list. And it's introducing the new Bing, your artificial intelligence powered. That's a key word right there. Microsoft Edge. That's what I was thinking of. The browser, Microsoft Edge. I'm on it. Okay, let's close this. I get really excited. So I'm really happy I showed you the proof. The proof's in the pudding. And there you go. And then here we go with the pages. I'm up to 99 pages. I'm doing it right. And okay, let's go to pages. It's telling me I'm using the system to help teach myself which ones have failed. I'm going to go through all of these because now I understand what I'm looking at. I understand what the SEO tools are telling me. I understand what I'm reading. I understand the terminology, and I understand what action I need to take to better my work. And that's the goal. I really love this. I never thought this day would come that I would get this good and actually understand. And I'm using created charts. I started using the Google Search Console and the Bing URL submission tools seriously in the second half of November 2022. And I haven't looked back since. And now, because now it reached 3 months, that they actually can give me some kind of, information I need to better my work. Same thing with Bing. It's telling me, view complete report, there's total errors. And this was at 3 the other day. Now it's telling me more because I'm moving faster. I'm submitting more URLs. It's telling me which ones I need to fix. Here's an example, this high one. It's telling me that in the description, I already know this, that it's missing a description, this one page that I resubmitted. Well, I know that. But what I'm going to do is I'm using a plugin that will create a header to each individual page. But after I finish this task of what I'm doing now, it all adds up. And again, I'm using artificial intelligence. This copy AI, before I forget, I'm using the 5-day free trial. Then I'm going to go to another one, and I'm going to use that free trial .ai tool chatbot, because I'm going to exhaust all the free stuff out there, and I'm going to then eventually, I say 6 months to a year from now, pay to use one. And what I plan on doing is I plan on purchasing, like this one. I already know I really like it. It works great, getting used to it, but maybe I'll pay for it for 1 month and then, shut it off and then pay for another one another month. So I don't use the same one over and over again. And I really do want to exhaust all the free stuff available on the web. But this is a good one. To give you a free trial, I didn't enter any credit card or anything, and I'm going to use it. And then I'm going to find another one, and then I'm going to practice with that one. This chat.openai.com is great. And I always, whatever this produces, I enter it into the freebie Grammarly and I reword it. But it saves me a tremendous amount of time, and it helps you get the flow of your creativity going so you work at a faster pace. You notice all of a sudden you're producing work. Instead of producing 2 pieces of great content a day, you're producing 5 or 6. It really works. So that's what I'm doing. I'm upgrading all of these blog posts, and I'm doing it properly. And the proof is showing you that it's working. And it's just under a month that I started using the SEO tools with the .ai. And it's working. And I can't wait to start using Microsoft Edge. And I think it's going to be free. I was doing research about Google. Their name brand is coming out. I wrote it down. If you hold on one moment, it's called Bard, B-A-R-D, and it's DeepMind is owned by Alphabet. I've been doing a lot of research. I am getting myself ready to show my skills and my talent with the use of AI. I am definitely a part of the 1% using it, and I will continue to learn more about it and use it. And I will exhaust all the freebie stuff out there. Here's one more thing to show you. Oh, I did show you. When you click on it, it shows you all the pages that are not indexed and what I need to fix. But I'm learning that some of these that I resubmit don't need to be fixed, but I'm doing it one at a time. And I don't mind, because I'm really understanding what I'm looking at. And the feeds, that confused me. Feeds are category pages in a WordPress blog or website, or the tag pages. Well, if I didn't use this, I wouldn't have learned that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to share more information like this. It just keeps getting better, and I continue to produce work a lot faster. And I'm in it to win it. I plan on earning good, steady, daily residual income from my websites, not just from YouTube, from my websites. I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.